Hello, my name is Oliver O'Keefe and I am the course leader for Year Zero in Games Design and Animation at Ravensbourne University. For this year's summer school, I will be running a workshop in character design. This workshop is suitable for students interested in illustration, animation and games design. The project will be a 5-week brief broken up into 5 manageable assignments. Each week will be themed in the following way: research, experimentation, prototyping, final outcome, and presenting for portfolio. For this workshop, you will be asked to create your own character and bring it to life. You will do this by developing a strong visual identity and a clear backstory. You will also design your character starting from basic shapes, considering how to create volume and how to create an appealing colour palette. And then, once you've designed your character, you will reimagine it through several different body types, even including a non-human form. And then finally, you will present all of your work as a portfolio page, complete with research and development, as well as final outcome. So, don't forget to look at all the other exciting courses in our summer school program at Ravensbourne University, and I look forward to seeing you soon.